Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please encourage me by liking, subscribing and commenting. Thanks guys. Bigger Road in South Africa.
Going to be the two easiest options.
Yeah.
Black one. Alright. Nice and easy. You'll grab your AR. And then for you, miss, a top pick, especially for the ladies, it's their first time shooting. Alright, this is nice and easy. To lighten the recoil, it's very, very easy.
Okay.
Alrighty. Alrighty guys, it's going to be 980 bucks. You want to pay cash or card? Here's the eye protection. You guys must each take a pair. Each take a pair of hearing protection as well. Guys, I'm going to be handing the guns to you now to take up to the range. They are unloaded and safe, but when you are carrying my guns, finger off the trigger, gun pointed down at the ground at all times. Right.
No, that's mine.
Yeah, that's actually. Otherwise, you can leave them on.
Can I leave this on?
You can leave it on. If it's not in your way, you can leave it on. Guys, with regards to the rules, please keep your trigger finger off the trigger until you are ready to shoot that gun. If you're not ready yet, please make sure the finger is off the trigger. Next, please make sure that these guns are at all times pointing down range. Whether it's loaded or unloaded, whether it's in your hands or on the table, it's pointing that way, please. Alright. Then, do you guys see that red line on the ground there below you? Okay. Do not take my guns behind that red. Remember, finger off the trigger till you're ready to fire. Keep it pointing down range. Do not take my guns behind the red line. And then, you're going to keep your ears on me the whole time until we go outside. And now you can keep it off. Start going. And keep them on until we go outside. Yeah, that's that. With range safe, I'll make that clear to you guys when I want to make safe. And then when I make live, we can shoot. Alright, I'm going to start by showing you this one, sir, and this one I'm just going to ask you to hang tight. Now, once you've done that, your right hand is here, your left hand is here. So for you, miss, are you also right handed? So the way it's going to work, you're going to press this button.
And remember to just pull either one of these levers back, and then pull back, pull, like that. Alright. Load it up ready to fire. You see that red dot?
Yeah.
Alright, you put them on the target where you want to hit. Fire when ready.
Very well done, guys.
Thank you.
That's excellent. stuff. Nicely done.
Yeah.